I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Steam wallet can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it securely. Step 1. Log into your Steam accounts. Open the Steam application or website and log in with your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to avoid any potential security risks. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, click on your profile name at the top right corner, then select Account Details. Look for the Steam Wallet section to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Steam Wallet section, click on the Add Funds to your Steam Wallet option. This will take you to the page where you can choose how much money to add. Step 4. Choose a payment method. Select your preferred payment method from the available options, such as credit card, PayPal, or Steam Wallet codes. Ensure that your payment method is secure and up to date. Step 5. Confirm your purchase. Review the amount and payment method, then click the Continue button to finalize the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Be cautious of phishing emails that may look similar to Steam's. Now you're all set to enjoy your games with added funds. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!